Assalamualaikum. My name is Yaqub from class Metric. Today my topic is active voice and passive voice. First of all, active voice. Active mean act. Act mean active dog of work. Definition: active voice which subject does work. Example: I play cricket. I mean subject, play mean work, cricket mean object. And second, passive voice. Passive mean object on which work is done. Understand? Definition: passive voice. Same work is done by object. Example: cricket is played by me. Understand? Clear?
Yes.
5 changes of active voice and passive voice. I play cricket. I replaced object. Subject replaced cricket. Second, helping verb. Form of verb by extension 5 objects.